Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can convert capital letters to lowercase in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see here, I have opened my Excel, and for example, I'm going to convert all of these names with capital to lowercase. So guys, I'm going to convert it here on the B column. First thing first, we can type in the name, manually type in the name with lowercase, but I'm going to make the first letter capital. So I'm going to type in like this. Okay, and we're going to select the column. We're going to select the area we want to convert all these names, and then we can go to the editing right here, and then you can click on you can click on this icon, okay, called fill. Click on this fill icon and you're going to select the flash fill. Okay, if you want to make them all lowercase, just do the same like this, and then you're going to select the area or select the column, go to the fill and select the flash fill. Okay guys, and that's all the way to convert capital letters to lowercase in Microsoft Excel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.